We are pleased to show you the 2024 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything, from errands to weekend projects. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.